Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another 3D print kit build. This one being something that was requested of me from the Engage forum, which is the British Rail Class 70, the electric version, because there was a diesel Class 70 as well. Also known as the Southern Railway CC class, or known as boosters. And this one was requested of me because people see my work, and I figured out that they asked me, and I figured I'd have a go at it. I'm actually recording this earlier than planned because this was meant to be next month, but I'm still waiting for a chassis for my other build, so this one's first and the other one's later. But quite nice build which I made. The main work which I had problems with is all these grills and all the plating, which took me an awful long time. Because I did actually make this twice, because I've done the early version for numbers CC1 and CC2, the Southern Railway version of the Class 70, and that had different panel arrangements and different grills, so I did that one first, and then also it had this curved front, which is very nice looking, and then I did the British Rail version, which has this flat front, and also its own arrangement of panels and all that lot as well. These two are the two prototypes, which came out most of right, though the detail didn't quite hold up after being painted, and plus they kind of warped. So had to do a few changes, most notably being these bracing bars. And also British Rail Class 70 was a class of 3, a third rail, chassis, and electric locomotives. And the initial two were built a little bit more the Southern Railway at Gosport Works in 1940 and 1945. That's the main thing. Were numbered CC1 and CC2. It's intended to fit on the equipment was designed by Alfred Railworks, and this is the old one. And bogies by Oliver Believed. CC2 was modified slightly from the original design by C.M. Cock, who had succeeded Railworth as electrical engineer. This is with the third was built by British Railways in 1940. It's basically the same thing, you just numbered, cut out this, paint it, and 000 on there. The only other thing which I need to do, classic soon prove their worth, other than adding detail and all that lot, 1,470 horsepower. Allowed them to handle 1,000 long-ton using these Kato ones, 50 long-ton passenger trains. I think it only cost me about £5 for a pack of 2. Being much shorter than the dominant multiple units, these are the only ones that can suffer from a problem known as gapping. Quite exact how they're meant to be between brakes, but third rail electrical supply, it's not going to really bother me that much. So couplings whilst moving, drill some holes and off the supply, and then glue this into there, and then places undue stress on couplings, and has been known to cause separations of a train. Just add details and paint it. So it's not having a order of motor generators with a large flywheel. I'm going to stop waffling on and get to work, and I'll see you in a bit, leading to the nickname boosters. A cross-arm pantograph was fitted to each of the 3 locomotives to allow them to work from overhead lines erected in some yards, where it was deemed too dangerous to have a third rail, with staff constantly at track level, particularly in wartime blackout. The pantograph was recessed into a cutout on the roof when not in use to keep within the loading gauge. All 3 were withdrawn in the winter of 1968 and 1969 without receiving tops numbers, although 2001 received BR Rail Blue for its final years. None survived to preservation. Right, here we are, the Class 70 now on my layout. That's looking not too bad. But I do have to say that this version of the model is now out of date, because I have been working with the people it's requested me to make an even more detailed version with extra bits and more details. So let me just zoom in there. So yeah, there's the buffer shanks there, some root discs on the front as well, and also some piping and stuff, and also there's a little air vent on the top as well. So that's what you can expect. Oh, and there's also some more chassis frame detail along the bottom. So yes, that's what you'll be expecting for your money now. But not to let a perfectly good body go to waste, I figured I'd still finish off this one as my Class 70. And I'll say it's not as detailed as I said now than 4 different versions you can buy from me now, but still I'm happy with it. And other than being on a rather dodgy Class 31 chassis, which is behaving at the moment, yeah, so it's not too bad. Do intend to improve the chassis, but it involves some rewiring and bits and eventually getting around to the decoder, so I'm just going to wait till I get around to chipping it. So yeah, I'm not going to bother with that now. But yeah, I'm happy with it, and I hope everyone has enjoyed the video. So do let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Or would you rather look at me pointing it at the new version? Which I'm very pleased with. It's actually my most detailed model yet. So very nice. This is actually one of the customer's ones. So I'll pop that aside, so you can have a look at that. But yeah, there's 4 versions to get. And yeah, like I said, do let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm just going to send the Class 70 on its way. So hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you all again next time. If you do like the video, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And I hope to see you all again next time. So take care now, and just send it off in its way. And it's stalled. There we go. Yeah, it's a very old chassis. There we go. Bye bye.